Hi, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff, and this is a HP Touchsmart IQ770, and it doesn't work. I picked it up recently for a few quid off a local small ad, and I thought we could have a bit of fun just having a look around and inside this unusual machine, and you never know, at the end of it, we might be able to get it working. The HP Touchsmart IQ770, also known as the Crossfire, was a bit of a pioneer when it first appeared back in January 2007. It cost nearly $1,800, which would be nearer $2,200 if it was released today. Its signature feature is of course the 19-inch touchscreen, which is backed up with an AMD Chiron 64X2 processor and NVIDIA GeForce Go 7600 graphics. Connectivity is the Touchsmart watchword. Whilst it lacks the internal expansion options of a traditional PC, HP made up for this by festooning the outside with as many ports and sockets as possible. The difference in ethos behind this machine and the deliberately restricted connection options found today on, for example, Apple devices is quite startling. Round the front, underneath the connectivity center hatch, we find the machine's emphasis on importing media, with a left and right audio in, a S-video and FireWire input together with two USB 2 ports. Back round the back we have the normal Ethernet port, 3 more USB ports and another USB port seemingly dedicated to the printer, together with its own little odd round connector. There's another FireWire connector, this time full size. There's digital out, 5.1 audio out, infrared out, and a weird mini VGA port, the type of which I've never seen on another machine. Support for multiple memory card formats, together with the slot loading LightScribe DVD, combine with the presence of dedicated disk navigation buttons to declare that this machine is all about importing those precious home videos and photos and then watching them back on that lovely touch screen. Apart from the previously mentioned it not working situation, this machine's seen a bit of action with some cosmetic scuffs, as well as the slightly more serious situation of the back panel being held on with sticky tape. Further searching reveals some more scuffs, plus an odd little hatch, underneath which is a bay which allows for further hard disk expansion via HP's Pocket Media hard drive format. It even has a built-in TV card, which is unfortunately now useless because it's analog. And here we have where the stylus goes, if that wasn't lost. So, what degree of not working are we looking at? Well, as it turns out, quite variable. Initially, when I was testing it, it would switch on, beep, and then immediately switch off again. Now we've been testing it and it will actually boot up and stay booted up, but the screen is blank and it boots up in a very strange way. Now, this button doesn't do anything, but this thing here that looks like a home screen now apparently becomes a home button, because if you touch that, there we go. We've got a lot of fan spin and the light there, and not a lot else. You can press now the disk eject button and we'll get the sound of that obviously trying to work. And that's about it. We have heard some little beeps which might be from the motherboard giving out codes. some motherboards do give audio codes when they experience an issue. Yeah, so this is where we are at the moment. Nothing on the screen, and it changing what it wants to do. It doesn't even want to switch off now. You can't even press and hold that to switch it off. You have to literally unplug the power cable. Who knows? It seems to be changing as we look at it. But that's where we are at the moment. If you've got any experience in these machines, then please drop any words of wisdom into the old comments section. And if you've got anything else to say about this whole project, then drop those into the comments too. This looks like the end for part 1 of this endeavour. Whether we'll get this beast working, who knows, only time will tell. If you'd like to see more from us, or if you'd like to see the rest of this saga, please subscribe. And also, if you've enjoyed this show, please give it a like, because they really help. So, I've been Jeff. This has been a rather sickly Hewlett Packard. This has been the Mammoth Tech Show, and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.